Hello everybody, so today we are going to be playing more Fortnite, and let's go to news right here, and here, blast off, getting match on Saturday by 10:30 a.m. Pacific time, 1:30 p.m. Eastern time, and 7:30%, I don't know how to read that. And look at the sky, it only happens once. And, I have already done the math, and right now, it will be launching. So, just ready up. And, by the way, Immortal Nawar is, my brother, aka Dragon Gamer. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. Orange, Ani.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here joined by Nutse. Sorry, but my game's a little bit glitchy, so a lot of things are messed up. But here is Mystery Gamer, aka Questo as they call him. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. And we're going right into another video. Right now it's 10:26 Mountain Time, and we're hoping to catch the rocket, which is launching
Orange Justice.
should be right about soon at 10:30. Yeah, guess we'll see you in a moment. I'll see you when it launches off.
Oh man, I wish I had best mates. It costs money. Let's go risky.
Now, Tess, we're going to the rocket site.
So snobby.
Alright.
I guess we're going to the rocket site, which is the villain base. So snobby. Dude, that's not.
Alright. So, I don't actually know where it is.
It's by Snobby.
By Snobby, as you say?
Yeah, it is. Just know, if you're watching this, the rocket site is by Snobby, the villain base.
Question, do you know what that is?
What? What?
Alright, I'm having weird voices. Let's turn the volume.
I don't hear them. Oh man, everybody's coming here. Good, there's gonna be a lot of action.
Don't attack them. Oh.
I'm already dead. This sucks. It's just gonna leave. Alright. Wait, I had grenades?
This is super laggy.
I'm just gonna.
Ah! It didn't even build. It's so laggy.
What kind of an emote is that? Let's get some brush my shoulders from that last fight. And then let's eat some popcorn. Of course, I'm a carbide and not wearing a mask.
Alright, so yeah.
Well, I am wearing a mask.
Things are going to be a little bit fun. Guys, it's all shooting off.
It's shooting off.
Guys, you should be able to see it from that height.
It's shooting off. There it is. There it
I
is.
see it. Guys, are you getting this?
I'll follow it.
Try to get on top of it.
By the way, you should follow me on. Nah, never mind.
Come on. Going up high, high, high. So beautiful.
Whoa! Holy!
Please, it just flew off. don't know, a rocket loses its thrusters and activates other thrusters. So it just dropped a whole bunch of extra weight, which is going to be flying everywhere. Yes, we're here. We are witnessing this giant cloud.
It was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the entire villain base is practically destroyed. I'm in the smoke. Oh no, I can't see. Ah, he has a shotgun.
Whoa, what is that? Is that Dusty? Yeah, it's Dusty.
It's going to Dusty?
Yeah. Dude, I just want to figure this out.
Man, everything is going to be wrecked.
Gotta kill it.
Oh. Wait! There's a swimming pool full of hot rocks.
Oh, sweet. I can't see a thing. So loud.
The entire villain base is getting destroyed.
Well. Whoa!
What?
Question, what's this? Like some sort of tear.
Tear in the fabric of reality?
Maybe, I don't know, but look at this.
Oh man, that's amazing. Wait, I should look up.
I died.
What?
I mean, I died. Yeah, that right there, guys, was the rocket launch. Something that just crashed into Dusty Divot. And something had just... Whoa, that was weird. Okay, so something just crashed into Dusty Divot. There's a giant, thing in the sky. So
I'm about to die!
Yes, die. Then we can go to Dusty Divot.
Oh. Okay. Alright, here we are in the waiting lobby, and let's just do Orange Justice. And then, let's say that this spot is looted.
Oh, it's still on the spawn island. You can still see it from the spawn island. Alright, let's see. Is the map changing?
Map is not changing.
Let's see.
Where did it land, though?
Well, let's see. Let's check out the meteor at Dusty Divot. Okay, so I'm gonna drop Dusty, and hopefully I can pull off the landing glitch, or if you stay at a perfect 45-degree angle, then you can land without deploying a glider.
And not taking any fall damage.
Yeah. And not taking fall damage, yeah. Hopefully I can pull off this glitch and I can get to Dusty. Wait. Question, do you remember that one panel at the center of Dusty that was down?
Yeah.
Maybe they knew that something was going to shoot off and land at Dusty. Alright. So we're going to check places that have rumored to be where, or going to be where they're rumored to be. Maybe it's still so bad. Let's see.
Come on, I need a weapon. Well, grenades are technically a weapon. Just don't mind these poles. It's part of a
Nothing.
battle pass quest, as I...
Dusty is not changing. I guess I have
All I have is a pistol, but at least it's a gun.
Well, I did die.
You did die, you died. Dragon Gamer died.
Practically everybody went to Dusty because, well, everybody's kind of freaked out about how this is going to go. Doesn't still have his battle pass skin.
I hear somebody above me. Let's organize my inventory real quick. Grenades. Alright, that seems good. Come on. Whoa! Why can't I jump? I'm stuck on a rock! 44? I placed 44th and I did 44 damage to the guy. That's hilarious.
Yeah, I guess that was the rocket film. And this is a monumental part in
Oh man.
Fortnite.
You know what? I am not giving up until I find where that rocket landed.
Question, it probably just landed, probably just exploded, caused some sort of wormhole. So yeah.
Wait, guys, do you know that new skin, the visitor skin? What happened? Oh yeah, it came out of the pod in Dusty Divot. And, it's rumored to have gone to the rocket, working with, Omega, you know that guy, who is working secretly. Oh my gosh, I got that building down to 1 health. Dead. Alright. Omega is rumored to be working on the rocket, and he was helping Visitor get back to his home planet. But still, what the heck is that? I think that's a wormhole.
Look up again. Oh, really close to it.
Yeah, it's because of the battle bus. Somebody's at the door. Oh my gosh. And Cora. Don't forget Cora. Well, I died. From a guy with a scar. Well, that's gonna end this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, thank you for getting me to 5 subscribers. If we could get to 10, that would be very, very happy. I would be very, very happy. And I will see you guys later in the next video.